Hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary. Today I will talk about how do you get top scores on the IELTS. Firstly, for both the reading and writing modules, make sure you give an answer for every question. Even if you are well prepared for IELTS, you could find yourself missing some of the answers on the listening module or running out of time in the reading module. Timing is very tight for the reading module. If you have a few questions that you haven't been able to answer fully, so it is better just to guess and gain a chance of picking up the marks rather than leaving questions unanswered. In the writing module, make sure you read the questions carefully. Double check that you understand what you have been asked to do and make sure you answer the questions as accurately and fully as possible. For example, if in task 2 you are asked to what extent do you agree or disagree, you should discuss how much you, not other people, agree or disagree with the statement. Note answering the specific question given in one of the main reasons candidates are marked down. If you have a good level of English, you don't want to see your writing band score and thus your overall band score go down because you failed to answer the question. On the plus side, if you do a good job of simply answering the questions that are asked, this will have the effect of boosting your score for task achievement in task 1 and task response in task 2. If even if you are weaker in the other criteria, since you will score highly, closer to 9 in that first criterion. So, in addition, you have to make sure that you write enough words. For task 1, you must write at least 150 words, and for task 2, at least 250 words. If you write less than these amounts, you will be deducted marks. So, of all the modules, test takers will often find the speaking module to be the most challenging because speaking is the module that is most affected by your personality. You may be a quiet and shy person who doesn't say very much even in your mother tongue. So you may find the speaking interview particularly challenging. Unfortunately, the examiner can't take this into consideration. So you need to speak as much as you can. It helps to remember that the examiner, unlike a teacher, is looking for the positives in your English. So the more you can say, the more chance you have to get a higher score. Some candidates feel that there is a right or a wrong answer and that they will be judged on this. This is not the case. The examiner is only interested in how you express your ideas in English. It doesn't matter what those ideas are. The final tip for getting a top score in the IELTS is to practice the strategies for the writing and speaking modules. Is it? Thank you so much. Be happy.